Let's make a remix. Let's get into it. The key of this track is A flat major. I've pitched the vocal up by 1 semitone, so now it's A major. We can use any notes from this A major scale. Here's the chords that I have created. Let's copy and paste the root notes with a bass sound. Now we can add a lead. Again, just use any notes in the scale. Drum time. We can add our own pattern. I took this simple drum and bass rhythm. Or we can add a loop. I personally like using my own sounds as you have more control over each individual instrument, but it's completely personal preference. We aren't done here. Let's add a new bass line and modulate the volume for the vocal and bass line with an LFO for the second part of the drop. And let's add a dubstep style bass for the last part of the drop and throw the lead back in. And that's how to remix. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.